You have a package.
Please leave the package at the door.
Okay.
Hola chicos, how are you?
Hey, what you're doing? I can see you. Go off my home. Go, now.
Hey, hello.
I'll be waiting here.
Wait for me. Wait for a moment.
The Netvue Bullet Camera is a waterproof, Alexa-enabled smart camera which provides you full HD live video monitoring. The camera will keep you posting anything suspicious outside of your home for 24 hours with night vision and motion detection features. You can set up motion detection zone by the Netvue app in case of being alerted by motion in the area you don't want to monitor. All the detected motion and live videos will be stored in the paid cloud service or local SD card. You can play back for interesting moments via the app. The Amazon Echo Show is a great way to see what's going on outside. You can simply say, "Alexa, show me the backyard" to get a live HD view of where the camera is monitoring. Netvue Bullet Camera, a perfect outdoor monitoring solution for your home.
Take care, sweetie.
Okay, Mom.
You can find the link to this product in the video description below.
Hey, stay away from the house.
Hello, hello. Just put it to my door, please.
Okay.
Hey, who's there? What do you want? Please go away.